What is the future of sales? Future of sales is autonomous selling. And in order to understand how we get to autonomous selling, I need to explain to you the 3 ways of doing sales. And the first one is everything that is called analog selling. Analog selling is what I'm doing here. I'm explaining things to you. We're meeting physically. All right. But very quickly, corporates and companies realized that that's just not scalable enough. So they introduced tools and systems to do something which we call digital sales. Digital selling makes use of CRM systems. It makes use of partly automation already. But very quickly, they started realizing that digital is not fully implemented yet. What we see now is something hybrid selling system where there is a part of analog, I'm meeting persons, and I'll do some automation to do digital. Where is it going? Well, it is going to fully autonomous sales machines. Currently, we've been experimenting a lot with School of Sales, and what we've seen is that we get to 72-75% of fully autonomous sales machines. We're not there yet, but it's coming quickly. And one of the techniques where you will see and feel this the first time ever is with a tool called Lead Info. And the reason is very simple. Somebody's visiting your website, they're watching the contact page, but do not fill it in. What's happening is the system picks it up. We know who is visiting your website, and automatically, after a few days, we'll send an email or we send a LinkedIn connection request, and we start building a machine that's fully autonomous. Since this is based on intent, what we see is extreme high openings rate of 90% plus, and people react, and it's like, how do they know I'm watching? But you do it in a very nice way. This is only one part of autonomous selling, and it's going to go way further than that. If you want to get a feeling with autonomous selling, you should try Lead Info. Here is a QR code that you can scan and get a free trial license, or go to schoolofsales.com, and we did a whole webinar around autonomous selling, and there is a massive blog that explains how you can implement it at your company.